Okay, thought today we'd make a little picture of the video of the little piggies running around. They're only a week old. They're pretty busy, pretty active running. There they go. Cute as little can be. There she goes. 2 boys, 4 girls, 6 piggies. And there's Daddy over there.
Oh no. That's the daddy in that pan?
Yes.
Yeah, that's Daddy over there.
Well, he's not trying to, very nice, trying to breed again already.
Well, since that's another boy.
Ah.
Just right over here to the side, there are 5 more, and these are 2 months old. That's what these little guys will look like in 2 months. They're probably 20 pounds, 25 pounds, maybe 30. Pretty solid little guys. These little guys are, what are they? They're maybe 12 inches long now. They doubled, at least doubled their growth size in a week. And Mom is back there resting.
Mama, don't